Assalam-O-Alikum guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video this is the web development class 4 or 5, I don't know. I think it's class 4. So class 5, sorry, class 5. So in this video I'm going to introduce the software VS Code. I posted the software installation video 2 weeks earlier, 1 week earlier. If you don't watch this, click on this I button so you move to the video, but after this video. So I'm going to introduce the software VS Code in this video. So let's start. So I just moved to my laptop screen. So here, so this is the project, this is the folder which used is as a basic introduction or basic structure. So after installation you just need to right click the folder which you want to open in the VS Code and click on the open with code. If you check mark all the button which displays in the installation of the VS Code, so you can see here this icon. If you don't check mark this button, so you cannot open by this option. There are a lot of ways. I am telling you all of the ways. So first of all, you click on open with code. It opens the VS Code. See, there is no need of .text file, so I delete this later. And when you first open this screen will pop up. So the first way is this, to open the folder which you want to open. The second way is to open the folder and click here. It will selected and write here CMD and click enter. It will open command prompt and write here code space dot. It will open in the VS Code in the software and the folder will open in VS Code. It may take a time. The third way is obvious. You can go from file and open folder or open file what you want to open. So that these three are the ways of opening the folder in VS Code. I will talk about extensions in later class. So back to this and open the HTML file. So this is the code which we write on the previous classes in the notepad. You can also find this code in my GitHub profile. I give link in the description of this code from my GitHub profile. So on my GitHub profile. So that's it for the video. This is the introduction of the VS Code. So I hope that you like it and understand what I teach you. So that's it for the video. Subscribe the channel for more informative videos, and thank you for watching.
Audio Jungle.